So, hello to all WordPress users of this course. If you watch this lecture, you probably have a WordPress-based website or intend to start working with this amazing platform soon. I will show you some themes that are responsive and work great on mobile devices. I'm going to suggest themes that I tested myself, of course. Some of them are free and some are premium. If you don't want to change your theme at this point and want to turn your WordPress website to a responsive one with your current theme, move over to the next lecture where I talk about plugins you can use to help you make your website responsive. Although I highly recommend using a responsive theme from the beginning because it will usually work much better than any plugin, since you cannot always fit your current non-responsive theme to be a perfect responsive one with plugins. And when you use a theme that was built to be responsive from scratch, you can be sure that it will look much better in mobiles than the plugin option. So, if you don't feel like changing your non-responsive theme, think about it again. I truly recommend on switching to a fresh, updated, responsive theme. It will make your website look much more modern and your readers will appreciate it too. One more thing before starting with the themes. This section has nothing to do with the app you just learned to create, since your app reads your website live and whenever you change the theme, the app will show the new one right after you activate it. So there is nothing you need to do with your app. You don't need to change any code and republish it again. If you want to see how your website looks in mobiles, and you're in front of your computer, just go to your website and resize the window to the smallest size, and you will see how the items change while changing the size. I sometimes like to use this website, mobilephoneemulator.com, where they have a real emulator where you can type your website address and really see how it looks like in mobile devices, since resizing the screen without an emulator might not always show you the exact mobile experience. Okay, so the first theme is called Vantage, and it's free to use. It's from a company called Site Origin, and I find myself using it in almost every new website that I build lately. It is a beautiful, easy-to-use theme, and it works with WooCommerce if you sell products on your website. It also works with the Meta Slider plugin and with the Page Builder plugin, with which you can do almost anything you want with your website and decide exactly where you want each feature to appear on the screen. Those plugins are free to download. The theme also has a premium version which gives you some more flexibility, and it only costs $15. This is my most recommended theme, and of course it looks awesome in mobiles too. Here you can see an example of this theme on my Hebrew website. The next theme is for personal bloggers and it's called Expound. You can find it in WordPress official theme directory and it's really simple and easy to use. What I like about it is that it looks really good on mobiles, as you can see here. It takes the featured posts and shows them very nicely, and really, if you just need a simple but professional looking blog theme, this is a great solution. Another theme for bloggers is called Solon, and that's the theme I currently use for my Click Till You Drop website, which is the one I worked with in this course and turned it into an app. As you can see, it turns the menu to a responsive one and shows the posts in a nice and welcoming way with a nice plus sign that sends you to the full post, and it has this nice effect on the featured images as well. It also has a slider option, which I don't use right now, and many built-in fonts to choose from and many other options, which will help you customize the blog to your needs. This theme is free to use and you can download it from athemes.com. They have some more premium and free themes, so you should check out their website. Another nice responsive free theme is for the photographers out here. It's called Pictorico and it's by WordPress.com. You can get it for free from WordPress themes directory. It's a grid-based theme, great for photo bloggers who want to show their works. Here is an example of how it looks like, and when I resize the screen to a mobile size, it looks great. Let's move on to premium themes. The first one is a theme called Magazine, and it's from themify.me. which is a premium theme provider. They have lots of special themes and all of them are responsive. Here you can see how the theme looks like in my two gymnastics websites. It has so many options, and you can also install the Themify Builder, which is a great plugin to let you decide exactly where you want each item to show in your theme. Themify is a great premium theme resource. I love their themes, and you can get all of them for as low as $79. You can also search for coupons and find really good deals, like 20 or 30% off. Just type Themify coupon in Google. I must say, though, that their themes are a little complicated to understand and work with, but they have very good tutorials for each theme, and their customer service is fast and very helpful. Whenever I needed help with anything, I got a quick solution, and I really recommend them. Another theme company that I tried is Elegant Themes. You can get all of their themes for $69, and here also you can find coupons through Google. They have more than 20 responsive themes to choose from, and unfortunately I don't have a specific website to show you with one of their themes on it, but I can say that I tried Foxy and Nexus, for example, and I like them. They also have a good tutorial section and I recommend them. So that's it. These are my recommendations. There are so many responsive themes out there and you can just run a search and find something that fits you. I will say it again in case you forgot. It's better to use a responsive theme than turn a non-responsive theme into one using plugins. And now, after saying this, I will show you some plugins that can help you turn your theme to a responsive one if you insist on staying with your current theme.